Hey guys, let's get a bit more technical in this lecture and let's install MySQL server on this machine. To do that, let's first update this system. To update the system, all you need to do is type in sudo apt update and then -y and hit enter, and then type in your admin password, and this should update this system. Now this will tell you that all packages are up to date when this is finished, as a confirmation that your system was upgraded to the latest and greatest. Now to install MySQL server on this machine, all you need to do is type in sudo apt install MySQL-server and hit enter, and this should start the installation process for MySQL server on this machine. And hit yes once. Now once your SQL installation is finished, before you can start using MySQL, what you need to do is you need to run sudo MySQL _secure installation and hit enter, and this will allow you to set up a root password for MySQL. So I'll hit enter here and type in the new root password. I'll just type in password, and now you can read through these prompts. For example, if you want to remove anonymous users, or if you want to disallow root login remotely and all that, but I'll just enter through these things. Once I've done this, I will type in sudo MySQL admin -p -u root, and then version to get the version of MySQL. And now when it asks for my password, I will type in the root password that I've put in when I was running the secure installation. So password, and this gives me the version of MySQL server installed on this Ubuntu machine. To log into MySQL, you need to type in sudo MySQL -p -u root, and then when it asks for a password, you need to type in password, and this will take you to the MySQL prompt. So I'll exit out of this. Now when you install MySQL, it is actually installed as a service. So to check the status of the SQL server, if it's running or not, you need to type in systemctl status MySQL and make sure that it is in active or running state. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.